this is Rick from Valley Accessories, and today we've got a new product that we're going to show you, and we're going to do a small installation. It's from TricLED, and it is called the Side Amber TricFlarez. And Teresa's going to come on over here with the camera, and these are what they are. It's the TricFlarez. Here's one installed. We're going to turn it on. So that's going to be the end result. It's diffused. It's really nice looking. Very subtle. Looks very cool. We've got that one installed. And we're going to go around and we're going to go and do an install on the other side. So Reggie is going to go and show you how to pull off. So basically, lift your seat up, turn the key.
Just going to pull this panel off.
Very easy. If you ever wondered how to take the panel off, just bottom right, it pops right out of there.
And we're just going to take this piece off. That's basically one torque screw here, and this just slides right off.
Go right down on there.
And this slides forward and out. What we want to do is just kind of clean this area in the front a little bit. As you notice, the new TricFlarez has just a small piece of tape in the front, and that is just to be able to hold it in position while you screw it down from the back. So this piece installs with no drilling, and the wiring actually has a little cavity there that you'll insert and slide through. These screw mounts here will butt up against this opening towards the back. So as you slide that through, just line everything up. Once you've got it lined up in position, you can see there on the back side the two screw holes. So what we're going to do is just peel this tape. And like I said, we're only using this tape as a position holder.
You wonder what all the noise is. We are at a Spyder rally right now.
So once you have it in position, you have a screw with the washer. You want to just tighten it down snug. See, it's nice and flush. So in the kit you will have an extension that will run down to your power fender harness, and you'll get the splitter. So you'll plug it in on the power fender harness, and the extension runs right up and just plugs right into this wire.
And the power fender harness he's talking about is from underneath the A-arm right there.
So Rick has run the power fender harness, an extra one that runs up here to the top, which makes the installation pretty easy. So we're just going to plug in our splitter, and we're going to take the new panel.
Oops, let me take this off. There.
And we are just going to plug that in. We'll test it real quick. And if it all goes good, just tuck your wiring back, line up the tabs, and pretty much that is the installation process.
Okay, so you can see it's pretty easy installation. I think most people, if you run your wire up there, is going to look real good. Very easy. So I think that that's it for us at Value Accessories and Reggie from Trick LED.
Thank you.